Hello guys, I am your host or trainer. My name is Vargang Panchal and you are watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. Today in this CBT I am going to demonstrate you how to install or deploy Type 2 hypervisor of VMware organization. Let's move for hands-on lab. So in my lab environment I am using VMware Workstation 15 Pro Edition. You need to double click to execute this file. And the process is started now. So this is a wizard of VMware Workstation 15 Pro. Click on next. There is end user license agreement of VMware. Accept this license agreement. Click on next. If you require to enhance keyboard driver, so you can select this option. Click on next. Now it's asking, do you want to check for updates on startup? If you required, you can select. Otherwise, you can uncheck this option. The second option is join the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. So basically this option is for VMware organization. Whatever feedback is given by you, they will accept and they will work on that. Click on next. Now it displaying that there will be two shortcuts on your desktop and another one will be in your start menu program folder. So click on next and install. Now maybe this process can take time. And now this process is completed. If you have license key, so you can press on license button and you can assign your license key over here and then press enter. Click on finish. So now this process will take a reboot. Press yes. So now I have restarted my computer system and there is VMware Workstation Pro icon. So just double click on it. So now this console is of VMware Workstation 15 Pro and this console is also known as VMM. VMM stands for Virtual Machine Manager. Thank you for watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. If you really like this CBT, click on like button and also comment us which section you like most, or if you have any query, you can also comment us.